Do you teach
Yeah, I'm still teaching comparative grammar of the Turkic languages, and we have I give some course on Kyrgyz language and Kyrgyz grammar, which is very, very interesting. Indeed, it's among the Turkic languages, the language I prefer is Kyrgyz. Unfortunately, I don't speak it as far as I have no opportunity of speaking Kyrgyz in Paris, but even if my knowledge of Kyrgyz is a passive one, much more than active, I enjoy this language very much, and I translate it. Of course, I've done a lot of translation for Kyrgyz.
What is your favorite proverb in Kyrgyz?
It's in the Pamir Kyrgyz, which is Butуңу, төшөгүнө, карап, узат. So extend your legs to the size of your how do you say that in
bed.
English? Yeah, or of your bed, we can say, which is very characteristic of Kyrgyz culture. I mean, do what you can do, use what you are able to produce, but don't try to go further if you're not able to do that.
Be realistic.
Yeah, it's very, very realistic. And,